my outfit with me.
We might have to buy a stand by our shelf thing for all our canned goods that are in boxes, so we can, because they're not doing a good job getting in here. Hopefully we get that thing on the 1st of November.
Yeah, no, we're not either.
Because I'm going to U-Haul place and grab the vehicle to get it.
Clock outfit. Clock in. I'm going to what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. My pants right here, and then I'm gonna just do this like that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. Should I wear this?
Yes, you're now set up. You wear it.
Or I've been wanting to wear this for a few days. Should I wear this? I'm wearing this, but with jeans. Actually, I'm gonna wear like shorts under this, but don't like. Okay. I had to switch my outfit. I love this outfit. It's really cute. With this top. But I don't really like this. Okay, I love this. It's really cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's really, really curly actually. How else are you gonna look at it?